In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your BangBet app to the latest version. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, by updating your BangBet app, you'll be able to fix any security issues related to this app. You'll also be able to get the latest features that comes with this app, as well as get a more secure app. To do it, you'll need to access the app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android and App Store if you are on iPhone. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll need to go ahead and look for any update on my phone. So to do that, I'll go back and then tap on Play Store. And from here, I'll go ahead and search for the app. And you can see my app is here. So I'll go ahead and tap on it to open. Now you can see we have an option to update our BangBet app. So if you see this, it means you have been using an outdated version of BangBet, which is not secure and it might be prone to errors or bugs. So to get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will proceed and download the latest version of BangBet on your phone and then install it. Now, once it has been updated and installed, you can now proceed and tap on open to start using the latest secure BangBet app. So that's how you can update your BangBet app, by following these simple steps. If this video is helpful, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.